Okay, let's begin with a prayer. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. So this is section 10.8, adding and subtracting radicals. So just like when we add polynomials, right? This is very much similar to adding or subtracting polynomials. So you combine the like terms, and the only difference is sometimes, if they are not like terms, simply, we might have to simplify the radicals to see whether you can make a like term. So here 6 radical 7 plus 9 radical 7 plus 2 radical 7, this is very much similar to 6x, the polynomial 6x plus 9x plus 2x, right? So these are like terms, right? So you can actually add them up. So 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 2, 17x. So instead of x, we have radical 7 or root 7, square root of 7. So you can say 17 square root of 7 or 17 radical 7. Now 5 square root of 3 minus 8 square root of 3. So the radicals are same. So they are like terms. So what do? So this is same as 5x minus 8x. So we get negative 3x, right? So the same way, instead of x, we have square root of 3. So negative 3 square root of 3 or negative 3 radical 3. So now in this section, in this problem, we have 5 square root of 80 minus 12 square root of 5. So 80 is not 80 and square root of 80 and square root of 5 are not like terms, right? So now can we make it a like term? Can we actually break this 80 into things that we can simplify further? So one method is, you can always take the prime factorization. What is a prime factorization from 80 will be what? 2 140. So you get 2 and 20, and then you get 2 and 10, then 2 and 5, right? So you have a pair here, you have a pair here. So then what? So you can pull out 2 from here, you can pull out 2 from here. So that means 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 2, 20, 20 times square root of 5 minus 12 square root of 5. So which is 8 square root of 5. So that's number. Other way is, you can write down all the perfect square numbers. So there will be 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, right? So the method 2, find the perfect square number, find the biggest perfect square number that goes evenly into 80. So 4 goes into 80, but that's not the biggest one. 9 won't go into 80. 16, yes, 16 goes into 80, right? And 25 won't go, right? So I can say 16 times 5 is 80. So I can rewrite this as square root of 16 times 5 minus 12 times 12 square root of 5. And square root of 16 is what? 4, right? So 5 times 4, which is, so this is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20 square root of 5 minus 12 square root of 5. So you get 8 square root of 5. So you can either use the factor tree or the, look at the perfect squares to simplify the radicand. Now this is actually 112. They made a mistake. So this is 112. 4 times square root of 112 plus 5 square root of 56 minus 9. So you pause the video and then check your work. So I used the factor tree, and then I found there are two pairs of 2's. So I pulled out those 2's. So there will be 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So I get 16 and square root of 7. And then for the second one, 56, you pulled out 2. So then I have 5. 5 times 2 times, and then what is remaining is square root of 14. 2 times 7, that is square root of 14. And 126, I can pull out 3, and then 2 and 7 are remaining. So 9 times 3, that is 27, square root of 14. So I just add them up. So these are like terms, so I can just add them up. The other method is find the perfect square number the biggest perfect square number that goes evenly into these numbers. So I know that 16 goes evenly, so 16 times 7, and then 4 goes evenly into the 56, 4 times 14, and 9 times 14 is 126. So got the answers. So this is the answer. Now try the next one. So square root of 3 minus square root of 1 over 3. So I can rewrite this as square root of 3 minus square root of 1 over square root of 3. Now, this one I need to simplify. How do I simplify? I need to rationalize the denominator. In order to rationalize, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3. So I get square root of 3 minus square root of 3 over 3. Now, this is just like any other fraction, right? So I get the LCM, the LCD is 3. So this will be 3 square root of 3 minus root 3. So I get, so 2 square root of 3 over 3.